When we turn the peg forwards, the pitch goes up. And when we turn the peg backwards, the pitch goes down.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
Welcome to Guitar Lesson 2, Easy Guitar Tuning. This is part of my 10-day course where I teach you how to play guitar for 10 minutes a day for 10 days, moving you one step closer to becoming that Disney star or pop star. Step 1, using the Guitar Tuner app. We want to make sure when we tune it that we're in a quiet space. So here's a challenge. Let's see if you can find the pegs for each string on your guitar.
Follow your dreams.
We're going to start with string 6 and we're going to do about 1 pluck per second. And as you pluck, you'll see that the red circle appears on the screen. Now, because it's to the left of the screen, that means that the note is too low. So I'm going to turn the peg away from the guitar like this. Now you'll see that the circle is getting closer to the line. Okay, so when it goes green and makes that noise, you know that the string is in tune. So let's move on to string 5 and I'm going to pluck. Oh, so that's to the right of the center. So now I'm going to locate peg 5 like this. I'm going to turn it towards myself. We're only doing tiny turns, just really small turns like that. Just follow along with me. Excellent. Or B. We're getting there. So now we have a tuned guitar. We are having fun today. Remember, you have what it takes to learn and play guitar and reach your dreams. Consider subscribing to the channel. By subscribing, you are helping to support future videos like this and build a community of people just like you.
Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Star in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Star in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine!
Here's what to do at the end of today's video. Have fun learning how to tune your guitar. Remember, you can pause and rewatch the video as often as you'd like to. Then join me for more fun in tomorrow's lesson. You are well on your way to becoming a guitar star. Here are 3 ways people mess up when learning to play the guitar. They don't tune their guitar before they practice. And we know, no matter how well you play it, it's never going to sound great if your guitar isn't in tune. They don't tune the strings to the correct letters and numbers. They don't get help from a grown-up if they are struggling. I want to honor and appreciate you for taking the time out of your busy day to be in education. That means so much to me. We're marching along and moving you one step closer to achieving your dreams here. Remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think.